How to block or unblock dates on your Airbnb calendar. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a very simple, quick and clean tutorial so you can just head over and follow out the steps for that. So we can open up the Airbnb application for that and log in into our account if we are not logged in. You can just head over and open up the application and log in, or you can even head over to airbnb.com and log in. Now, once we are here, the thing we can do is we can go over to our profile, tap on it, and look out for the hosting option. And we can select up our listing from that section, and we'll be finding an option called calendar. And once you open up your listing, you can tap on calendar and something similar will pop up. You can just go over and tap on the date that you want to unblock. And once you've done that, you can just go over and tap on block and then save it up if you want to block it. Similar, if you want to unblock, you can go to hosting calendar and look out for calendar, something like this again, and tap on it once again in order to unblock it. And again, tap on save in order to save up the changes. You can just go over and do so. And you can also follow the same process for your website as well. And block dates if the place is unavailable, you are doing maintenance, you want personal use, etc. You can just go over and do so. And also syncing your calendar can also auto block dates. You can use that as well. But usually this is how you should be able to do it. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.